Hey, Lea Louise here, and I didn't get to finish my video yesterday, but we have some battery power now. I want to show you the backyard. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a tree between us and the neighbor. Can you see how huge that thing is? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it goes all the way down. It starts here, but see all the way down there. That's how big that trunk is. And we come out this way. And I'm not going to go any closer than just right here. But look at that massive tree. And it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes all the way back there. And this is, again, where all the snapped off trees are. But this video today is for all you quilters, sewists, and do-it-yourselfers and crafters and love to find a bargain at the big box stores or the dollar stores or the hardware stores. We're talking about rope. This is a 50-foot skein of 100% cotton braided rope that I bought to make some rugs. I was going to do some scrap rugs and, you know, take the fabric and twist around it and then sew it with a zigzag on my machine. Well, I hadn't gotten there, but luckily I had it because now it's my clothesline. So I have this wonderful clothesline, and it goes from that back fence to the tree swing. You know, we were going to take this tire swing down. Just have to show you. And look at that tree stayed up. Isn't that amazing? We're going to take this down because the grandkids have grown out of it, but luckily it's still here. And so I just want you to see how far this goes. Look at all the way over there. You see where the canoe is? Over there past the, I mean, the line is up there and you can see some clothes on the line drying. Oh, and that was the other thing. So it's not just the rope, but you see those clamps? Don't we all have these super duper clamps for holding things together? They make great clothespins. Oh, I have had so much fun doing all this. I know I'm crazy, but I have to find something to keep my sanity. Now, here's the washing center. You know, we all have one of these that we probably don't use as much as we think. And remember the old Tupperware cake things? So we fill this with hot water. We use this and, of course, the old wooden spoon, and we stir it up with some laundry detergent. We wash it. We lift this. We shake it out. We put it in a big bucket full of water. I'm sure Calphanon didn't think that their pan would be great for laundry, but it works fabulous. So this is where we are. We're doing laundry, and it feels so good. It's hot. At least today we have a nice breeze. But I did just want to share with you, this is where we are, and we're going to come around back and I'll give you another view behind here. And you can see up on top there, let me get my finger in the right place. That's where the tree, see there's the roof, and the tree actually snapped off. So that part's hanging on the roof in the front. This part is leaning on the roof in the back. And then all that is going out over the carport. So we're living in the camper. And that's where we are. There's no hotels. There's no power in the city. We're lucky we have water. We were supposed to get our windshield repaired today, but now that's going to be 2 weeks. So we're hanging in there. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. And keep us in your prayers. It's always a pleasure to be here with you. Have a great rest of your day.